Welcome all to the training manual of Invoice to Pay Automation Process. This is a part of All India initiative towards digitalization of various processes. The objective of this project is to bring in automation process to have better visibility and tracking of your invoices against the orders. We have developed a portal for the vendors to upload the invoices with digital signature. Vendors will be able to track their invoices through the portal and get a better visibility to the process. They will also have an option of submitting the invoice to the POC directly. In addition to this, we have implemented the Vim solution to your existing SAP system to further enhance the process. Vim has the OCR optical character recognition technology inbuilt that will capture the characters from the invoice image. The captured fields are passed to the Vim document and can be routed within teams and departments for further processing. This intends to reduce a lot of manual activity with easy access to digitized invoice. Now we will walk you through SAP process once vendor uploads it. Once you log into the system, you will go to the transaction /n/opt/vim_wp. This is Vim Workplace where all your open items are available. This is your DP document ID which you can now execute and process. This is your Vim indexing screen where the captured fields are automatically populated and you have the invoice image on your right. You can verify the fields with the image on your right. To ensure that you are processing the correct document, as an indexer, you will have to verify the following fields against the invoice image: vendor number, company code, reference number, document date, gross amount, and the PO number. When the vendor will be uploading the invoice through the portal, they will upload based on the contract number. So there could be a situation where the contract number is populated in the PO number field. In those cases, you will have to remove the contract number and add the correct work order number in the field. Once you have verified the fields in the basic data, you will go to Accounting tab. In the Accounting tab, you will verify the payment terms. This field is fetched from the work order, so you can verify if this is correctly populating. Next, you will go to the Other Data tab. In the Other Data tab, you will select the correct nature of bill. Based on the nature of bill selected here, it will be routed to the correct finance team. Check the HSN code if it's matching with the invoice image. If LD is applicable, select yes and enter the period. If other deduction is applicable, select yes and update the other fields. Another important field for you is documents check. This is like a declaration that you have verified all the documents against the DP document and all the documents are correct. So once it is verified, you can click on this checkbox. Once the fields are updated, you will click on Simulate Rules. This will open up a menu which has some of the system validation against the DP document that we are processing. This is to ensure that we are entering the correct data in the document. So as an indexer, you have to make sure that all the exceptions till document check are green. If there is any discrepancy, it will be red. So right now, as we have not created the service entry sheet, this exception is red. Since all the other exceptions or validations are in green status, we can go ahead with the SES creation. To create SES, you will click on the option Enter Service Entry. Click on Yes. You will be redirected to ML81N screen. In this transaction, you will click on Other Purchase Order. The work order number will be automatically populated. Click on Continue. Click on Create. The SES creation process will be followed as it is. The only thing that you need to make note of here is the external number. In the external number, you will be selecting the DP document ID from the drop down. The DP document ID is replacing the earlier BTS number. Once you have the SES details filled, you can go on and release with 01 code. For the next level of approvals, you can contact your superiors to approve the invoice outside of Vim via the transaction ML81N. You may save the entry sheet. You will be redirected to the DP document with the information message that entry sheet number this has been saved. You'll click on continue and you can then go ahead and click on apply rules. Once the SES is released and is accepted, the DP document will be routed to the finance team with the background jobs. So your part as an SES creator ends here. Thank you.